capo is used so you can simply transpose songs but maintain the chord shapes of the chords that you already know how to play. This could be done to make a song either easier to sing or play, or both. For example, at first there was a secret chord David played and it pleased the Lord. I use my trusty capo. First there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. So you can hear how I was able to sing it higher because I changed the pitch of all my chords up. You could also sing it lower by changing the pitch of your chords up and dropping your whole voice, but that's for a different lesson. Hi, I'm Bree, your teacher at Bree Music Tutorials. I hope you're tuned up, warmed up, and ready to pick and strum to have some fun. Changing the pitch of the song not only makes it easier to sing and play at times, but it changes the whole feel and tone of your instrument. So let's just hear the open notes. And you might hear, whereas if I put up on a higher fret, you get a much brighter, sweeter sound. So that's another reason why you might use a capo other than for transposition. The way we use a capo, and it depends on your capo, this one here is a trigger capo where I can open it and close it. It's my preferred capo. This one's actually a guitar capo. I play guitar as well, so it didn't make sense to have a ukulele one as well. Ukulele ones are exactly the same, but they're smaller. They probably fit a little bit nicer. Well, they do fit nicer on your ukulele. But to use it, you basically just open up and clamp on to just below or just closer to the nut, right next to your fret bar. You need to make sure you pick each string to make sure you've got a clear sound. If you don't have it on right, you get something like this. So you want to have a beautiful, sweet sound. What the capo is doing is it's shortening the playable area of the strings and thus increasing the pitch. So with transposing, we would call it +1 every time we move up. So if I want to transpose my chords up 1, I put my capo on fret 1, up 2, up 3, up 4, and so on. Now, when I play a chord shape using my capo, for example, C, it's technically no longer a C. It's actually now a D, because I've moved up 2 half steps. You can see my lesson on the musical alphabet. That will help you understand this better. But you don't necessarily need to know how to transpose the notes, because most people will just put a label at the top of a sheet music saying capo 2, and then it would say C, and you would play your C chord. So the chord shapes are just relative to where the capo is. You just pretend it's your nut and you play the chords as displayed. So have a try for yourself. Pick any song that you already know, grab a capo, whack it on, and have a go at just playing that song in a different key. You might find that some of the songs that you already know and love become even better and sweeter at a higher pitch, just like I found with Hallelujah. If you're new here today, don't forget to subscribe and share with a friend if you think that this will help someone else.